My first video today, I'm going to be showing y'all how to edit your vocals with stock plugins in FL Studio 20. Let's get into it. So basically, first thing you want to do is get a clean cut of vocals. You do not want mucky vocals. You do not want dirty vocals. You want to get the best takes that you have. I've taken a lot of takes here for this new single I got. These are all the takes here, and then I put them all on one track right here, just to, be more organized and stuff. So let's listen to the entire vocal without any of these plugins that I got. So let's see here.
They say what's up, they wanna greet me now that I'm up, they wanna be me, never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up, they wanna greet me now that I'm up, they wanna be me, never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key.
Okay, so you can hear there that there is a little bit of muckiness. There's some flaws there in the audio, but
Bitches tag him in the three, selling about the riches, all of them agree. I'm shooting to the sky, stuck in the debris.
Still pretty clean because I recorded in a clean environment with no other sounds. So basically, the first thing you want to do to solve this, if you do have mucky vocals, is you want to get a parametric EQ, number 2, and you want to get the number 1 tab, and you want to turn this into a high pass on order 4, steep 4, yeah. And basically, let me enable this. You guys are going to see here in a second.
Here, greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought
right
I would
here,
be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key.
This basically is just going to... It's just going to filter out all the muckiness
greet me now that I'm
near the bass and the sub.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee.
You just want to completely cut that out because it's just it's not needed. It's not even in songs. You barely can hear it, and it just adds some more just muckiness.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantees.
So I found the sweet spot is near 120 to 130 hertz, and you can put this on the maximum.
Greet me now that I'm up. They
want to. I suggest you keep it on 65.
Greet me now that
maximum. It's still gonna take out some of the low mid as well.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up. They want to greet.
I feel that's a sweet spot right there. Okay. Next up, you're going to want to do Maximus. Maximus is a split band. De-esser split band is what you want.
Greet me, not enough.
And you want to go in the mids right here. You don't want to mess with the low, just mess with the mids.
Greet me, not enough.
Basically, this is going to be a little higher. I've edited mine, so yours will probably be somewhere up here like that. So you want to narrow it down a little just to keep it more simple.
Greet me, not enough.
And this is where it all works.
Greet me, not enough.
As you can see, when I put this all the way down, you can barely hear it.
Greet me, not enough.
All the way up,
greet me, not enough.
You can hear it too much. So you want to find that sweet spot
greet
right
me,
here.
not enough. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up. They want to greet me, not enough. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's.
And I found the sweet spot right there, so I'm going to keep it like that. All right, next up, you want to get a compressor. The compressor basically just it just smushes all of the audio together to make it just more clean and more cut. So here's with the compressor off.
They want to be me. Never thought I would be the.
And here's with it on.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up.
So yeah, oh my bad. Here's the compressor settings. I found that near -30 and -20 are the best. It just depends on what kind of mic you're using and what environment you're in. The ratio, you can put this all the way up to 8, or you can keep this down to 6. It's really just preference. You just have to go through it.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in.
As you can see, when I put all the way down,
greet me now that I'm up. They want to.
You can hear it too much. So I found 7
greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never.
And let's see, without the gain. Let's do it without the gain.
Me now that I'm up.
It's a little bit too quiet, so you do want to bump up that gain if you have some quietness. I like to keep it at 4.
Greet me now that I'm up.
And you can put this on soft if you want a soft compressor. A soft compressor basically doesn't squish it down as much as a hard compressor would. But right now I want a hard compressor because I'm going to mix with the volumes as well.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want.
I'm going to bump this down.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee.
It's not that needed.
Greet me now that I'm up. They want to be me. Never thought I would be the.
All right. Next up, we have the fast distortion. This is just a stock plugin for a distortion.
Greet me now that I'm up. They wanna
basically
greet me now that I'm up.
you can
They
mix with
wanna
the
be
mix
me.
and
Never
stuff.
thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up.
There are presets here you can use, but I feel like they're too much, and I don't know. It depends on what kind of vocals you're playing with. If you want to do it something like this, I'll just show you guys. We'll put it on overdrive.
Greet me now that I'm up. They wanna
It's
be
just a
me.
little
Never
bit too
thought I would.
much, so I try to keep it on default and mix it as best as I can. Try to make a
Greet me
straight
now that
line,
I'm up.
basically.
They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say
Let's bump this all the way up.
greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up. They wanna greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come.
And then we'll bump it back down.
Greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key.
Just a little something in the background. All right, next up we have the fruity reverb. This is a hard reverb I'm using. I put the wet all the way up, the EQ all the way up, my bad. The dry all the way down. The decay, I've just put a smidge of decay here. The size, I try to keep it as small as possible, not completely small, but just as small like this. L cut, I put it all the way up, and H cut, I kept the same. So basically, this is just gonna add that little.
Greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the
Little
key.
spice
They
to
say
it.
what's up. They wanna greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me.
Just makes it sound all clean and just better. I'm gonna bump the fruity distop down a little. All right, next up we have the fruity limiter.
Greet me now.
This is not actually another compressor I'm using. This is a noise
Greet me
gate
now that I'm up.
I'm
They
using.
wanna
I put the gain all the way down, the threshold, a smidge, because basically
greet
what
me
this
now.
is gonna do is cut out all the volumes
Greet me
where
now
you put the noise gate at. So if I put the noise gate here,
that I'm up. They wanna
you can't hear anything. But when I put the noise gate here,
greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee,
it's
so
gonna
I come.
cut out all the noise that you
Greet me
don't
now
want
that
to hear.
I'm
The
up.
little
They wanna be me.
the buzzing, if you have a buzzing mic. I used to have a buzzing mic, and
Greet me.
this is a savior, basically.
Greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what.
So, yep, and then last but not least, we have another EQ. This EQ is going to sit on top of the rest, and basically what this is going to do is just cut out
Greet
all the
me now.
frequencies that you don't want. So let's put this all the way up.
Greet me now that I'm up.
You
They
can hear
wanna
the little alien noises.
greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's.
I try to put it on the
Greet
places
me
where
now
the sound
greet
mostly
me now
comes
that I'm
from.
up. They
This
wanna
right
be
here,
me.
this
Never.
area is something I didn't want, so I'm going to put that down. just a
Greet me now
smidge.
that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the.
And I also put the high frequency down because I
Greet
heard,
me.
as you can hear, there's a little static at the at the higher frequency, a little bit of what do you call it? A little bit of fuzz.
Greet me now
I
that.
also put this down.
Greet me
because
now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in.
I don't like that frequency. It's way too much, so I'm gonna put that down a little.
Greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's
Yeah,
up.
that's
They
basically it. You can add delay if you want, other things, but I'm just gonna keep it clean for this video. Let's hear the beat and the
what's
volume.
up? They wanna greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up? They wanna greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up? They wanna greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. They say what's up? They wanna greet me now that I'm up. They wanna be me. Never thought I would be the guarantee, so I come out in that as the key. Key to the kings, key to the queens. Only difference is I'm not on my knees. Fucking with bitches, tagging them in the threes. Telling about the riches, all of them agree. I'm shooting to the sky, stuck in the debris. Feeling like a rookie, ready for the league. Fucking with the bookies, never spend a G. Came in like I'm nookie, fuck the referee. Ay.
So yeah, basically that's all I have to do for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all got some information from this. Just you know, try to keep your vocals not too crazy, not too little as well. Try to find that sweet spot. That's what I'm gonna do as well. Always try to do your own thing though. I can tell you all the things that I want to, but it really just matters about where you are, how your mic is, how your voice sounds, and what you need to do with it. But yeah, that's all. Peace out.